Hello world, what's up? Vivek Chauhan here, and today we are going to talk about how to increase your strength naturally. So, without further ado, let's hop into it. Number one, eat more carbs. There is a misconception that if you eat carbs, you will become obese or you will gain fat. But that's totally bullshit. Only way you will gain fat or become obese by eating carbs if you eat processed carbs that include sugar, pastries, burger, etc. And let me tell you a preferable ratio between protein and carbs, that is 1:3. For example, if you are eating 100 grams of protein per day, then you can easily eat 300 grams of carbs per day. But if you want to lose some fat, then you can reduce some carbs. You can eat around 230 to 240 grams per day. So don't forget to include some carbs in your diet. Number 2, don't go to the gym 6 times per week. Why? Because if you are going to the gym 6 times per week, what you are doing? You are just fucking your body and you are not giving it time to recover. And proper rest and recovery is needed in order to function properly in the gym. And what many scientific studies suggest that 3 to 4 times a week of weight training is enough to achieve your desired fitness goals. And after knowing that also, I know you are a gym rat, you want to go to the gym at least 5 times a week. So what I would recommend that if you want to go to the gym 5 times a week, what you can do, 3 times a week go heavy and 2 times a week go light. Example, if you can do deadlift of 120 kgs, then on your low intensity day, what you should do? You should do deadlift of 80 kgs or 90 kgs. Don't go till failure. So don't go to the gym 6 times per week. 3 to 4 times per week of weight training is enough if you want to achieve your desired fitness goals. Number 3. Most of the people, even legends in bodybuilding industry, what they do? They train hard, they follow a nutritious diet, but they don't do mobility exercises, which is as equally important as training and nutrition. First of all, let me tell you, mobility is different from stretching. What is mobility? Mobility is a combination of range of motion, strength, and motor controls. So, after knowing the definition of mobility, that's clear that if you have good mobility, you will increase your strength. And if you don't have a good mobility, what would happen? You would create some stiffness and discrepancies in your body. And when you go to the gym and lift weights, that discrepancy and that stiffness can cause injury. And personally, after doing 3 to 4 weeks of mobility exercises, the shoulder pain, the lower back pain, the knee pain I had is totally gone. And that's the power of mobility exercise. So do some mobility exercises every single day. And don't worry, I will make a video on mobility exercises soon. Number 4, take creatine. One of the most researched and affordable supplements in the market. And anyone can take it. Men, women, old adults. It has tons of benefits. It has in improving your lean body mass, in increasing your strength, in improving your cognitive function, and in older adults it helps in treating arthritis. And new studies are suggesting that it can also improve your cardiovascular health, that is your heart health. I mean, what else do you want? It is one of the most affordable supplements and it is natural. So start taking creatine 5 grams per day. And that's it. Do these 4 things and I can guarantee you that you will see some great strength gains within 3 to 4 weeks. Alright guys, that's all in this video from my side. If you found something informative, then please like the video, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I am very active on that. Till then, stay strong, stay ambitious.